What Moving Media does particularly well is to be very structured from beginning to end. So you always know where you are in the project, you know exactly who to talk to, you have exactly the same team throughout the entire process. And the entire communication with the team is really easy, smooth, and it just feels good. The EIT community is the largest innovation network in Europe. We cover different sectors from manufacturing, health, raw materials, urban mobility, whatever you can think of. And we connect startups, corporates, research and technology organizations, as well as universities and students. What we did with Moving Media was 3 different events, very different in nature, also a little bit different in audience. Moving Media really gets the feel of what's needed at that point of time. So if a person is very hectic and stressed out, they will be calm. If a person is very dynamic, they will feel the same dynamics as they do. Also, they understand very well what we are about. And that is one of the best aspects to work with them. They just connect seamlessly into the team. They are part of the community. It's a safe bank to be on. And Moving Media works very well as a team. Together with us, it's just a dream team.